On the 1st of April 2019, Kia announced the e-Niro, their fully electric SUV, which they claim can do 280 miles on a charge and costs just over £30,000. Now that might sound like an April Fool's Day prank, because even Tesla haven't been able to achieve that yet, so I decided to go and see for myself. Here's what I found out. While it might not be the prettiest car you've ever seen, the e-Niro has a lot going for it. For a start off, it can achieve its claimed 280 miles on a charge. You get Tesla levels of range for Nissan Leaf prices. So now range anxiety isn't an issue. What's it like to drive? Now it's no sports car, but in a straight line, the instant torque is really good fun. And actually, if you press the sport button, you gain a hot hatch challenging 0 to 60 of just 7.5 seconds. The interior really is very nice. Heated leather seats, heated steering wheel, all sorts of creature comforts, and importantly nowadays, smartphone integration for iPhone through CarPlay and Android through Android Auto. Also, there's extensive cruise control and driver aids. Most people thinking about buying an SUV are thinking about practicality or families. The e-Niro has tons of space in the back and is very comfortable for adults, and also has a huge boot. With practicality in mind, a 7-year warranty is unmatched in the industry, and that's what you get with the Kia. So the e-Niro first edition sounds like nothing but good news. Well, there are a few things to be concerned about. The first edition models don't come with remote access from your smartphone. The next versions will. And there's been a lot of action in the electric vehicle market just recently, and there's been announcements of all sorts of cars that are coming next year. Unfortunately, unless you've got one of the first editions already on order, you're going to be waiting some time if you place an order today, probably 12 to 18 months. So that makes this, for most people, a 2020 car. So the Kia e-Niro is probably the best electric car on the market right now that you can't buy. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.